into southern Colorado.
Yeah, we certainly are. We got more clouds and sun right now across most of the region and a few passing showers. You'll notice here, I want to show this shot again from our Peak Internet camera in Woodland Park. They're actually starting to taper off with some of the rain showers right now. They'll still have more rounds coming through over the next several hours. But the first little round is now scooting into parts of western El Paso County. And we've also had a few stronger storms that are now working across eastern El Paso County. When I say stronger storms, I mean they're producing a little bit of lightning, but they do have the potential to become marginally severe, if anything, producing some small hail and some gusty winds. Right now, though, that is just looking like some heavy rain for us here along Highway 94 from Ellicott up to Calhan, Highway 24 all the way up to Rama-Simla area, where some heavier downpours are ongoing, and a convection in the atmosphere to produce a little bit of lightning out there as well. Let's talk a little bit about what we're expecting over the next several hours, because we will get another few rounds of showers here for downtown Colorado Springs as we move through now to about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. And some models are suggesting the rain could linger across the south side of Colorado Springs through about midnight tonight. So if you're joining us around Fountain, the Broadmoor area, at the airport, Cimarron Hills, and the southeastern side of Colorado Springs, it's likely you may see a few just light showers lasting through about 10 o'clock tonight, kind of coming in several little waves, so kind of passing in nature, if you will. Let's talk about also the likelihood for a few changeover to some snow showers for parts of Teller County as we, of course, tend to continue to cool overnight tonight, and temperatures drop to around freezing, about 31 degrees for parts of Cripple Creek and Woodland Park. We could get some lighter accumulations of snow on some of those grassy surfaces, but with our air surface temperatures being warm today and the ground being fairly warm, we wouldn't expect any widespread travel impacts with this system if we do see that changeover to snow for Teller County later tonight. Notice across parts of southern Colorado, areas across the Huerfano County locations, we will be watching for the potential for a little bit of localized flooding from some of the burn scars around the Junkins burn scar, the spring burn scar. So those are locations we need to watch over the next several consecutive hours, and some ongoing showers for the far southeastern plains. Right now, dynamics are not overly favorable for any strong storms lasting after about 8 o'clock tonight, but we'll continue to keep our eyes on it. Notice 1 o'clock on Wednesday. We've got that northerly breeze coming in across the state. It's going to keep us on the milder side, and the possibility for a few showers in the higher terrain areas, but most of what we're going to see tomorrow will probably return to some virga, where it'll evaporate before it reaches the ground. So expect a mostly dry day for Wednesday. Temperature highs in the 60s and 70s, going to be nice and comfortable. Of course, you'll notice any thunderstorms will be well off towards our east across Lamar, La Junta, Springfield. For you folks, you may get a few embedded rumbles of thunder after about 12 o'clock on Wednesday, and then we'll continue with mostly clear skies. Let's talk about your 7-day forecast here. You'll notice Woodland Park, we continue with temperatures in the 40s for the latter half of the week. We do return to a more active pattern by Thursday and Friday, and that's likely going to keep a daily shower and thunderstorm chance for us in the forecast for lower terrain areas. Higher terrain areas such as Woodland Park, western Fremont County, even into parts of La Veta, we could see just a few snow showers with this next system. We'll continue to talk about that and what you can expect as we move through the next several hours. We'll kind of do a recap of the radar coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, looking good. Mary, thank you. Well, almost half of the U.S. population is breathing unhealthy, heavily polluted air. That's according to the American Lung